website, julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas that celebrate simple living, including recipes, home decor, and entertaining ideas. And today I'm especially excited that my friend Hillary of Old World Home is joining me as well. She's sharing her tips and tricks on how she organizes closets as well, and you're just going to absolutely love her style. So beautiful. Beautiful, traditional home decor, and just as sweet as can be. So don't forget to click subscribe to see more of Hillary's videos as well. Today we're gonna deep dive into our linen closet. Now, I honestly don't know what lies beneath because I haven't opened it in quite some time. So you're gonna get to see it just like I see it for the first time, and I can't guarantee how scary it might be. You know how sometimes kids can shove things in the closets? I mean, really, I'm guilty of that too. But I'm so excited that you're along for the ride as I continue my Organize With Me series, which will be going on all month through the month of January. Now, I love starting the year off doing the things that all people do at the beginning of the year. And clearly that's not joining a gym. That's getting organized. And so I don't know why, but this just brings me so much joy, and it sets a really great tone for the rest of the year. But I also want to make sure that this is a no judgment zone. Cool? Cool. Sounds great. Let's get started. So we're gonna open up our closet, and well, you can see that it's not the closet it once was. It's not the closet anymore that was featured in Real Simple or any of the other websites. And you can also tell that I'm not Martha Stewart. If you want to learn how to fold a fitted sheet, you might want to check out her site because that is something I've never mastered. But it's not horrible, but it's not great. So we're gonna see what kind of excess we have in here. First of all, I always like to pull everything out. That is the simplest way to see exactly what you have and what you need to eliminate. I can tell you right now that this is not stuff I need. Bed shams, never used. I purchased these and ended up going a totally different direction. This is why I cannot be trusted shopping in an outlet mall. So we're going to donate those. A brand I worked with accidentally sent pink. It's lovely, so beautiful, linen. But if you don't need it, you don't need it, right? I don't think my husband would love a pink bed. So yeah, donate. Beautiful white linen bed skirt, except for I don't like white bedding on our master bedroom. And that's the only thing that we have a king size for, so donate. Now, I can tell you right now, we don't need this. Empty boxes, goodbye. Some dusty candles that have been left in here for a long time. This is probably not the best use or place for them. So I'm going to relocate these, I'll clean them off, and then I can use them in another room. Nothing in this basket. We'll see if we need to come back and use this or not. I think this is once where I kept candles. I can't even remember at this point. I can see here I have a ton of sheets, but I probably don't need them all. So what I like to have in our bedrooms is one set on the bed and one spare in the linen closet. That way they're easy to rotate out, but there's no need to have any more unless you have small children that have accidents or special needs. Really, 2 sets, in my opinion, is more than enough. Especially when they overlap, like we have 2 twin beds, so 4 sets of sheets for those 2 twin beds is more than sufficient. This is a really great time to figure out what is actually supposed to be on a bed. Like this is supposed to be on Annie's bed right now. This should be on the guest bed right now. They shouldn't be in this closet. So organizing also helps me just get my life together. These block print sheets, these should go in the guest bedroom. So at some point, some of the things got taken off and white sheets were put on. I know, the horror, right? But anyways, I like getting things kind of back to normal for the beginning of the new year. It just feels fresh and it just makes me so happy, and I feel like I can start my year off on the right foot. So I'm gonna deliver these to the guest bedroom. So it looks like I have a lot of reorganizing and folding to do. This is Adeline's old bedding. She now has a queen bed. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and donate this to the animal shelter. If you didn't know, if you have any old sheets, animal shelters love old sheets and blankets and things like that to make kennels cozy for animals that are looking to be adopted. So if you have any excess, don't throw them away. I highly recommend you donate. It's always a good way to go. Anyways, I have some excess pillows in here, and this isn't a bad place to store them. This is the linen closet, but I also have the guest bedroom closet that I use for excess like bedding like that. I could put them in there. So I'm gonna work my magic, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, now I think I have it down to just the things that we need in the linen closet. If it's something that belongs in a bathroom or anywhere else, you need to relocate things to where they belong, where they make the most sense. Of course, anything you need to store in the linen closet, you can. Toilet paper, excess toilet paper, things like that, they go great in the bottom of a linen closet in a big basket. You can store excess towels if you need some extras that don't fit in your bathroom, like for example, for guests. Fortunately, when we renovated our bathroom, the girls' bathroom, which I'll link to in the description below, we gained a lot of storage there, so we have plenty of room for the girls' towels and the guest towels. But you can store what you need to store in a linen closet. Don't feel like because mine is a little on the thin side that yours needs to be too. We are blessed with a lot of storage, and I also am more of a minimalist. So if I don't really need it, I like to eliminate it. I will tidy this up and kind of refold things and make it look prettier. But for right now, it's not so bad. I've got it down to just the extra sheets that we need and a couple extra duvet covers. And it feels so great. I love it. I mean, why have stuff that you don't need? Now, one of my favorite tips on organizing a linen closet is to group your linens by bed size. So you can see here I have double. That's the original guest bedroom bed. Here I have king. This is actually queen now, so I'll update all of these as well, these labels. But these little label holders, which I'll link to the description below, they are actually intended for scrapbooking. I just use tiny little nails to insert them there, and then I print off what size sheets they are. And it's a great way to quickly see exactly what you need. And in all honesty, we have a cleaning person who changes our sheets for us. It's easy for them to quickly grab exactly what they need. It's another easy way you can streamline your life that costs less than $5. So I really enjoy having these label holders, and I found them very handy. And we had replaced this one says crib, and it's actually twin now. So I'll update these labels, and there we have it, a linen closet refresh. I'm going to share a couple more tips for you on how to organize a linen closet. Now, linen closets, or closets in general, can tend to be really dark. So when at all possible, paint the interior white or cream, and that will really make everything pop so that you see exactly what you have, so that nothing kind of gets lost in that dark abyss. Again, you remove everything first, eliminate any excess, and then you can start putting things in. Using labels also helps. That way you can determine exactly what you have, especially when it comes to sheets, when they're in various sizes but folded, they all look the same. That will keep it really cohesive and visually appealing as well, which I don't know if that makes any difference to you, but for me, it makes it so it doesn't feel like Halloween every time I open up the closet. So it gives me some kind of sense of peace to have a clean, pristine linen closet. When we first purchased our home, our hallway was really dark and dreary. It had hollow core dark doors, and we went ahead and replaced those with this nice white panel door and some pretty brass hardware. And that automatically made it pop and just made this closet feel a lot more accessible. We also replaced the carpet in the hallway with wood floors. So it gives a nice clean base to the linen closet as well. Makes it easy to slide things in and out, etc. And then the closet itself was so dark. So I painted it to brighten it up, and it made a really great backdrop so that you can always see exactly what you have in your linen closet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to visit my friend Hillary of Old World Home 2, and please click subscribe. We would both love to have you following along our everyday journey. I know she's doing a lot of organization projects this month as well, and I have so much home decor to share with you down at the lake, some projects I've been working on, as well as a lot of plans for our home here in St. Louis, and some yummy, yummy recipes. So click subscribe, ring that bell so you're notified anytime I have a new video available. I look forward to seeing you again soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you...